Ganapateshwari Namaha. One of the first conditions of happiness is that the link between man and nature shall not be broken. Leo Tolstoy. Nature is the world around us. Nature is the mother of all of us. She is our companion since eternity. I'm Amogh of class 10, Amrita Vidyalayam, Palakkad. Today, June 5th, World Environment Day. A day that reminds all of us of how nature is our first and greatest mother. We, the students of Amrita Vidyalayam, Palakkad, present the importance of this world of wonder in which we live. The United Nations celebrates World Environment Day annually under a particular slogan to promote environmental protection and preservation. This year, the slogan is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, Generation Restoration. It's easy to think nature will always be with us. There is no question that Earth has been a giving planet. But we have disconnected ourselves from the natural world. On Friday, 21st May, India lost one of its best known environmental activists. I would like to take this opportunity to pay tribute to Sri Sundarlal Bahuguna. Bahuguna's work stemmed from his fundamental conviction that a stable ecology meant a stable economy and society. Nature gives so much, from fruits and flowers to clean water and cool shade to artistic beauty. There's just so much. We, the students of Amrita Vidyalayam, have demonstrated how artistically and creatively these gifts of nature can be used to make daily life objects through our Back to Nature activity. Our students have used items like coir, leaves and other items to create toys, pots, etc. in a very creative manner. It's always fun to do activities with your family, especially when it's something enjoyable and when it's outdoors. Also, it's special when you're contributing positively to the environment. Our students have, along with their families, planted saplings in their homes as a part of our family planting activity, and in this humble way help to maintain our environment. If each one of us is ready to contribute in such small ways, it will have a huge impact on the environment and, as said, for the future generations. Amrita Vidyalayam has always been at the forefront for promoting environmental protection and ecological promotion. In view of this year's UN World Environment Day theme, which is Generation Restoration, our school has taken the initiative to plant 100 saplings in our school premises. With the COVID-19 pandemic in its second wave, the importance of medicinal plants has been recognized by the world community. Many plants such as tulsi, aloe vera and neem can bring relief from a variety of ailments. Our school has, in view of this, developed a herbal garden with various Ayurvedic plants. Our friends have also used a very unique and attractive method to convey the idea of environmental preservation and wildlife conservation, which is through the medium of decorative paintings which express their hope for the protection of our nature.
I will plant and nurture trees, and I will be an ambassador for free mission in my locality.
I will not waste natural resources like water, electricity, petrol and others.
I will not use plastic or will not burn it.
I will reduce the use of one equipment that generates pollution.
I shall teach my family and friends that a clean home leads to a clean neighborhood. A clean neighborhood leads to a clean state. A clean state leads to a clean nation. and a clean nation leads to a clean planet Earth. Heaven is under our heels, not just above our heads. Truly, this world in which we live is heaven. So, let's all learn to love our Mother Nature, to understand her beauty, and preserve her for the future generations. Namah Shivaya, thank you.